quite a few people asked me about these front console bins for the Nissan Ariya, and this is one of our favorite accessories. Me and Tom love these things. We think they're simple, cool, effective, easy to install, but I haven't showed you guys how to install it. So I'm not going to do an installation video, but I am going to show you that right here on the front of the console, you're gonna install this guy. You drill out 3 holes and you got 3 little clips that pop in. Super easy. And then on the front of this thing, you'll notice you've got a little bit of a like a Velcro situation going on here, and this basically is just going to keep the front end fastened right there. You can kind of see the line from where this one was installed. And then let's do this. Let's see if I can set this up. I'll put this thing back in. I'll show you. So you can remove it if you want to take it out for whatever reason, but then just install it and there it is. Easy peasy. Get yourself one of these. I'll put a link in the description.